Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, the last option that is available in Windows 10's Windows Security app is the family options. And what is that all about exactly? Now, if you share your computer, or if you have multiple computers around the house, some of them maybe for your kids, well, maybe having a certain amount of control over the amount of time they spend in front of a screen. There's such a thing as digital well-being, and sometimes having a little overview of, what your kids' activity is all about is maybe a good thing sometimes. So for that to happen and for that to work, you have to actually add family accounts. So you have to add accounts on your Windows PC when you set up the machines. Then you have to, of course, view the devices that you will add and connect to that option. When that is done, you will have some parental controls available. You'll have the option to protect your kids of what website they can visit or not. Set, of course, screen time habits, meaning you can give them a certain amount of hours a day and night and so on. You can keep track of your children's digital life by looking at activity reports that are going to be sent weekly of what your kids are doing online, actually. And then there's, of course, let your kids buy appropriate apps and games, which means if you go on the Microsoft Store, for example, that they can, get the proper apps that you think are good for kids or not. And, well, all of that is, of course, controlled by having accounts. So you'll have to have several computers at home, first of all. And for that to actually work, you will have to also go into your settings. In the account settings, you will have in each computer that you might have around the accounts you need to and will have to set up family and other user accounts. And this will become accounts that you can start managing, so you can add family members and so on. Once you add these accounts, you can actually all link them and have them available and go through all of that with the family settings and view the devices that you have. And it will bring you actually to an account, your online account, where they're going to show you the different devices that might be on your, account, and the different machines and how you want to interact with these machines as usual. So here you'll have, of course, the different machines. It's a little sluggish. This machine is not very, very fast. So here you have machines, and you see the different machines that could be either added or removed from your computer, from your list of computers. And there you'll have, of course, the possibility to add the information about these devices. And, of course, you can register, you can localize your devices, see where they are. And, of course, all of that will be done with the family settings and the device settings. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.